Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the laptop so the update runs smoothly. Plug in power and confirm at least 50% battery, because interruptions can corrupt system files. Make a quick backup or create a restore point to undo changes if needed. This protects your data. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or Ethernet and verify you have sufficient disk space. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for Updates to start downloading the latest Windows 10 cumulative packages. You watch the download and let Windows gather files. Feature updates may be several gigabytes and take time. While downloading, review optional updates. Install critical drivers only if they match your hardware to prevent conflicts. Once files are ready, Windows will prompt to restart. Either select Restart Now for immediate install or schedule restart for a convenient time to avoid downtime. During installation, the system will reboot several times. Don't power off. If prompted, sign in and let Windows finish configuring your app. You complete the process by verifying the update succeeded. Open Settings, check Update History, and confirm the new version under System About. Next, inspect Device Manager for driver warnings and update any flagged drivers to restore full functionality. If something misbehaves, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter for automated fixes. If problems persist, use the recovery option to roll back the last feature update within the allowed time window. Key tip: keep a backup and restore point handy so you can revert quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.